Fine, ma'am.
All of you are fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today I have taken this class to clear your doubts. If you have any doubts in respect of final account of partnership firm, you can ask me today. Already a doubt has been placed by one of the student. It is in respect of a question that was given. I will solve it. First, you ask me if you have small questions, if you have small doubts or small queries. One by one, you can do one thing. You can raise your hand. So one by one, those who have raised your hand, I will able to ask you questions. Or you may be able to ask me questions. First, you clarify your doubts. কোনোবাৰ যদি ডাউট আছে মেসেজ কৰা বা হ্যান্ড রেজ কৰি দিয়া রিঅ্যাকশনত পাবা এটো you see like this যেনে মই রেজ কৰিলো হ্যান্ড রেজ কৰি দিয়া যদি কোনোবাৰ ডাউট আছে can you hear me
Yes, ma'am.
okay I got one question what is the meaning of conveyance conveyance means going from one place to another we spend some money that is called conveyance যেনে মই ঘৰৰ পৰা কলেজ গলো ভাড়া দিলো হেতু হল conveyance the amount I paid as bus fare or auto fare or cab fare for going to college that is conveyance expense that is called conveyance is it clear Jyoti
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
okay yeah please proceed any more questions no more questions so if you don't have any doubt then should I ask you questions okay one more question what is legacy I think it should be legacy huh LE Ismail itu legacy hobo lage LEGACY huh legacy to kot paisa tumi itu to ei chapter or nohoy income and expenditure account or hudisa niki
Yes, ma'am.
okay মই কৈ দিম answer to baru kintu this class is specifically on final account so you will ask me questions relating to final account today huh so legacy it is like I'll give you a very simple example legacy passes on mane from ancestors to the present members okay jene ghor purana eta ghor ase he ghor tu ami kar pura lom amar mane ancestral house ase we get this as a legacy got it anything that we inherit is called legacy so it is a kind of capital receipt to the hoday na pao it is non recurring in nature once we get something from our ancestors similarly not for profit organizations they get something from the people who have donated in their will they write that after my death this property or this plot of land or this building will be what to say donated to so and so club so and so charitable society so that is called legacy so for the
Thank you, ma'am.
charitable society it is a receipt capital receipt yeah I'm expecting more questions is it clear Ismail
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
I'm waiting for more questions okay ma'am why drawings and interest on drawings remain on same side of which account
Ma'am, in current account, ma'am, partner's current account.
why it remains it may be in current account as well as capital account also so why it remains in the same side you tell me
Ma'am, I do not understand, ma'am, because drawings is coming in debit side, so ma'am, interest should not be coming in credit or ma'am, another side.
You see, this question was by Divas. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You see. All of you listen, huh? Sabe huniba. Anything which increases capital is credit. Capital or nijor ki balance ase? Credit. Ase ne nai? Capital
Yes,
or
ma'am.
key balance? What is the balance of capital?
Credit.
Credit. So anything that increases capital is credit and anything that decreases capital is debit. Now you tell me, drawings reduces capital or not?
Yes, ma'am. Reduce.
So it should be debit. Credit of G bostu reduce kore, that is debit. So drawings will be debit because it reduces capital. And what about interest on drawings? If a partner has withdrawn capital, withdrawn money, that means here a partner has taken drawings, then even interest on drawings will be deducted from his capital. We don't tell the partner that you give your interest on drawings. We deduct, just similarly like we deduct the drawings from the capital, we will also deduct interest on drawings from the capital in due course of time. So both drawings and interest on drawings are a deduction from capital and both should appear on debit side. Both decrease the capital. Am I clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Others, did you understand? Baki pure bujhisa na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Aruhuda, you can ask more questions. Whatever doubts you have, feel free to ask. I'm waiting for questions. So no more questions from your side? Someone, background noise is coming, so please mute yourself. I think it Gargi. When you have to speak, any student, tumaloke jodi kiba kobo lage, mute button to unmute kori diba. You unmute yourself when you have to talk. So do I, since no more questions are coming, should I take it as nobody has any doubt, everything is clear? Karu doubt nai buli thorim niki? Sabor clear hoise? Okay, I will ask a question. What do you mean by fixed capital? Who will answer? Fixed capital kak koi?
Ma'am, when the partner's capital are fixed throughout the year, it is called fixed capital.
Capital are fixed means?
Ma'am, it does not change. Ma'am, it remains same.
Okay, so what happens if the capital is fixed? What we should do?
Ma'am, there will be two accounts.
Capital.
Partner's current account and savings account.
Other students, you tell me, did you know about this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So capital, if it is fixed, then fixed money change no hobo, okay? It will change only if there is further additional capital introduced by a partner. Remaining adjustments relating to partner, like interest to partner, capital, interest on capital to partner, interest on drawings, then any kind of salary, commission, remuneration, all these things, whatever is to be given to partner will not come in the main capital account. That means in the main capital account, what we will show? In the main capital account, what we will show? Only opening capital and
Additional capital.
yeah, only opening capital and additional capital. Okay. Okay. So remaining things where we will show.
Current account.
Yes, remaining things we will show in current account. And what are the remaining things? Remaining things like salary to partner,
Salary, commission,
commission,
Interest on capital.
interest on capital, drawings, interest on, so not drawings,
Drawings.
interest on drawings. Drawings na hai, huh? I'm sorry, Ahibo. It will not come in PL appropriation account, but it will come here, huh? So এইবোৰ বস্তু current account আহি যায়. So as a result of that, what happens? Capital account will always show credit balance, but current account may show credit balance or debit balance. হয় না নহয়? যেহেতু current account opening capital নাই, additional capital নাই, plus minus item বোৰ আছে যেনে salary, commission, interest on capital, drawings, interest on drawings. হেতু হোৱাৰ কাৰণে current account বহুত বাৰ credit balance নেদেখুৱাই, debit balance দেখুৱাই. You all knew this? জানিছিলা এই কথাটো? Yes, students? Nobody is responding.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So similarly, if capital is fluctuating, then what will happen? If capital is fluctuating, then everything we can show in one place. In case of fluctuating capital, everything we can show where? In one account. And what is that account? That account is called
Capital account.
partners capital account.
Capital account.
Current account or দৰকাৰে নাই কাৰণ যিমান item আমি এতিয়া discuss কৰিছিলো. What are the items we discussed? Opening capital, additional capital, drawings, interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, any kind of remuneration or commission to partner, each and everything related to partner other than loan. এই সব ইয়াতে আহি যাব. So no need to prepare what? Current account. So, and this capital account will always have a credit balance. So why I'm discussing this? Because one question was placed by Divas today morning, and that question was solved. But I have solved that, and I don't know whether others have doubt in that or not. It was a question in which in the final account we have capital account as well as current account. Do you want me to solve it today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Then I take it for granted. Others are also willing. Saripas Jone, yes, koise. Do you have this question? Let me show you. I have noted this question here. Messrs AB, current account dia asile, capital account to asile. You have this question. It was solved in one of the class, I think, by Divas. Which sir?
GG Banik sir.
Panik sir. Sir has solved this question in class.
Ma'am, not fully solved, ma'am, but only explain.
He had discussed. All
Yes,
of you
ma'am.
have this question with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine then. Let us proceed with the solution then. Eta kaam kora, I give you 2 minutes. You quickly draw 2 formats, profit and loss account and balance sheet. PL approve nalage. Kyo nalage? Do you know kyo nalage? Question to porhilo niki agot ebar. You see, this is the trial balance of Messrs AB as on 31st March 2015. And what is given here? Current account diya ase, closing stock, plant and machinery, investment. Okay, these all items are there, debit and credit side. Then you see, from the following information, prepare profit and loss account. PL approve বনাবই দিয়া নাই আৰু বনাব দিয়া নাই দৰকাৰো নাই কিয় কাৰণ PL appropriation or item নাই এটো questionত মই সলভ কৰোতে গম পাইছো item বোৰো নাই ইয়াৰ কাৰণে আমি হেতু এভয়েড কৰিম PL profit and loss account আৰু balance sheet draw fast PL appropriation of half page or অলপ বেছিয়ে লাগিব similarly balance sheet of half page or অলপ বেছি লাগিব please draw Hello. You stop responding, huh? Are you drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
take your time. 2 to 3 minutes, huh? Be fast. As soon as you finish, say yes, ma'am, I have finished.
Yes, ma'am, I have finished.
Good. Should we start, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So, generally we have a look at the question first. Let us go through the items. You go through the items and debit side, you see all the items. Do you have any doubt in item of debit side of trial balance? Debit side of current account, dia say A. What does it mean? Itu ki mean kore current account A? Tar mane A has got a debit balance of current account. Debit balance of capital means negative balance. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Current account.
Yes, ma'am.
Debit balance
Yes, ma'am.
is negative balance. Okay, then remaining items you all know. Let us come to credit side. Credit side or item boards were sundry creditors, bills payable, capital or balance asset, current account or balance asset. That means in this question we have fixed capital and there is capital account as well as current account. B has credit balance of current account. That means B has a positive balance of current account. Next, trading account or gross profit diya ase. Then this item, did you understand this item? 8% A's loan. This is loan given by partner A. Aru partner A jetia loan diye, hey loan to ki hobo? Capital account ot ahibo ne? Should we treat it in capital account or current account? It will never, huh? Interest on loan is always to be shown in what? Separate account. It is not to be mixed with capital account. Partner extra ke poisa dile, additional capital বুলি আমি কওঁ কিন্তু যদি লোন বুলি দিয়ে তেতিয়া হেতু কি বুলি ট্ৰিট কৰিবা loan হিচাপে ট্ৰিট কৰিবা ক্যাপিটালত নলবা so A has given loan and the loan amount is how much percent 8%. How much percent? 8%. And the loan was given on what date? 1st July 2014. And when do we have to prepare the account? 31st March 2015. That means loan is for how many months? How many months interest is due?
9.
Yes, not 1 year because this date is given. So we will have to, this is a hidden adjustment and we will have to give interest on loan at the rate of 8% on 20,000 for 9 months. Is it clear to all of you? It was an adjustment as a day. So I'm keeping it highlighted. It is an adjustment. I have to remember. Tumaloke examot ki koriba tick eta kori thoba ba underline kori thoba tetia monot thakibo, otherwise you may forget. So items of debit and credit we have seen, more or less we have understood. Now how do we proceed with the solution? First we check the adjustments also and put a tick on the related items in trial balance. So first is
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am,
yeah, Kua
আৰু এবাৰ কওকচোন
kuntu a item to 8%
কওকচোন
loan or kotha to should I say about loan? Who asked the question? I simply couldn't trace out. Loan or kotha to who?
ma'am দীক্ষিতা দেৱী
Dikshita. Loan or kotha to?
yes ma'am
Okay.
yes ma'am
Yeah, Huna. A has given a loan. A is a partner. So he has given a loan and he has to get 8% interest. Okay. But he gave the loan on 1st July. Okay. 1st July pora
yes
31st March 2015 loike kiman ma hobo? How many months? 9 months. 1st July mane July include hobo? July, August, September, October.
yes ma'am
January, February, March. So 9 months or babe amak ek interest dibo lagibo. Jodio prasnot aru kotu dia nai, not mentioned anywhere else in the question, but here 8% and this date it signifies hidden adjustment. Mane ei adjustment to yate tolok lekha nai kintu implied. Itu yate dia ase tar mane itu implied adjustment ase. Hidden buli ko ami nije gom pabo lagibo bujibo lagibo je itu ki ase adjustment ase. So ami jeta solve korim tete ami hetur babe amar profit and loss account expense hisabe treatment korim. Thik ase? Ek je ami loan dim sorry interest dim loanor uporot hey interest to amar karone charge. It is a charge against profit. From our profit we have to pay. So where will it go? In the debit side of profit and loss account. 8% of 20,000 for 9 months. And where will it also go? It will also be a liability. We have not yet paid. So it will be also shown in the liability side of balance sheet. It will not affect any item directly. And so we need not highlight any item at present. You did not take any item in the question. Now, is it clear, Dikshita?
yes ma'am
Now you see, point number 1, adjustment number 1. Partners are to share profit and loss in their capital ratio. Fine. Capital ratio kiman ase hiyotor? A and B 50:25. That means 2:1. Next, outstanding salary 5,000. Itu salary plus hobo? Yes. Salary plus hobo ne nai? So ami eta highlight kori thom. J2 salaries plus hobo and it also appears as a adjustment as a liability in the balance sheet. Next, accrued interest on investment. We in this question debit side we have an investment of 50,000. We should have had got interest on that investment, but on credit side no such interest is given. So it is implied that the interest is what? Outstanding, accrued. We don't call it outstanding. The proper term is accrued. Okay, so accrued investment we will show on asset side of balance sheet, and if there would be any interest on credit side we would add it. Okay, we would add it, but now we are not going to do that. So it will not affect this item. Accrued interest on investment will not affect any particular item. Yes, this accrued investment in balance sheet, when we show it in asset side, you can add it to your investment, or you can show it separately also. Next is provide depreciation at the rate of 10% on plant and machinery. So put a tick on plant and machinery, because in asset side of balance sheet, depreciation we will deduct from plant and machinery, and also it will come on debit side of profit and loss account. So we are done with all the adjustments, and now let us proceed with the solution. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, students. So let us proceed with the first item on the debit side of trial balance. Okay. And what is the first item? Current account A. So where do we show the debit balance of current account? In balance sheet, there are two places where you can show the debit balance of current account. If you show it on the debit side of on the asset side of balance sheet, you can show it here, or you can show it on the liability side as a negative item. Okay, you will show it like this. Let me show it to you. Partners capital account lekhiba agote. Aru A ase B ase hoy na. So itu ma agot capital account lekhi tholu. Then I will do one thing. Because in partners capital account, there is no adjustment, okay? There is only A and B's capital. So what I'm going to do is, I will show the amount separately. For A, it is how much? 50,000. And for B, it is 25,000. Moi advance hote to kori dilu de. Because I remember the figures, so I'm doing it now. You may do it later on also. So 50,000 plus 25,000 is how much? 75,000. Our current account kota hibo. There are two partners. One has debit balance and one has credit balance. So debit balance jar asile teor ami yatei dekhuam kintu minus buli dekhuam. Keneke moi dekhai asu. Opening balance air kiman asile 12,500, but it is negative. Debit balance mane negative. So I'll place it in a pair of bracket. Can you see the question? Friends, can you see the solution?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Meeting may end. If the meeting ends, you will start again join with the same link. Aku same link ko join kori loba, ha? Acha.
Okay, ma'am.
Itu buji kola opening balance debit. I have shown it in a pair of bracket. That means it is minus balance. Instead of showing it on asset side, I am showing it here. So first item, current account A. In order to write this, I also wrote this item, capital account AB. Huh? Okay, next closing stock 60,000. Second item is closing stock. What jabo itu?
Ma'am, asset side, balance sheet.
Yes, asset side balance sheet. And since it is, we are going to follow the liquid permanency order, so I'm writing it somewhere below. Amount kiman ase closing stock or?
Ma'am, 60,000.
60,000. Okay. Next is plant and machinery. Plant and machinery, moi amount kiman ase silo 67,000. So in balance sheet, I will write plant and machinery, and I will write the amount in the inner column. Why? This green color has reminded me that there is an adjustment, and that adjustment was relating to depreciation. So I have written less. I will underline it, and for depreciation, I will leave some space. Have you done this? Plant and machinery, less kori thoba. Next is investment. Again, investment will go to balance sheet, and I will show it in the balance sheet below plant and machinery. Investment. Investment or amount kiman asile? I think 50,000.
Ma'am, 50,000.
Yes. 50,000. In this, I will add the investment accrued. So I'm going to write it now itself. I may underline it or just highlight it by using a bold font. So figure what to write, that I will write later on. Closing stock code next page of Purilo. Next, salaries. Where will I show salaries? Debit side.
Ma'am,
Very good. So I will write here 2 salaries, and I will write the figure of salaries inside. What is the amount of salary? 60,000, na?
yes, ma'am.
Are it ki add hobo? Outstanding salary. Mo etia add lokhi tholu, highlight kori tholu. What to write, that I will write later on. Next is cash at bank, 19,000. Cash at bank balance sheet or jabo. Closing stock or tolot dim. 19,000, na? Next item is printing and stationery, 20,000. Item of expense, so it will go to debit side below salaries, but I will not forget to write what? To printing and stationery. Kiman amount koisile? 20,000. Next is rent, 8,000. Below printing and stationery, I will write to rent 8,000. Then I proceed to sundry debtors. Sundry debtor to kono adjustment nai to question on 2,50,000 directly in balance sheet. I will write it above closing stock. I will write the amount, and then figure I will write outside. 2,50,000. Next is sundry expenses. Expenses will go to PL account debit side. Amount was 10,000. So debit side items we have done. Let us come to credit side. Sundry creditors and bills payable, both I'm going to copy together because both will come in balance sheet liabilities side. Balance sheet capital aru current account or tolot jabo. Creditors amount is 3,02,900. Directly I will write outside 3,02,900. Aru bills payable or amount asile 10,000. Next is capital A, B. Already I have written in balance sheet 50,000, 25,000. Current account of B I have already written in balance sheet. Then trading account gross profit. Where will it go? PL account credit side. Yeah, my already by trading account gross profit likhai ase yate. Amount kiman 1,47,100. Next is 8% A's loan. So this A's loan, it is a liability first. Adjustment pisot korim. Prothom item or treatment kora. The first thing is that this item is an item of liability for the business. Business koi paisa to ek ghurai dibo lagibo. So it is a liability. Business or karne eta dendari hoy. Aru ami to sundry creditor ba bills payable or uporote di diu jehetu loan hoy. So 8% A's loan on 1/7/2014. Iman nelekhileu hoy. Only A's loan lekhibo paru ami. Amount kiman asile? 20,000. Pitorot lekho. Why? I'm going to add. I'm going to leave space for interest that we are going to pay to A, and that interest will be added to A's loan. Ito ami korim pisot, কিন্তু যেহেতু মোক মনত আছে হাইলাইট কৰা আছিল আমাৰ এডজাস্টমেন্টৰ আইটেম বুলি, সো এটুক আমি ইন্টারেস্ট যেটো হ'ব 8% of 20,000 is how much? 1,600. Students, why you are not responding? 8% of 20,000 for 1 year is 1,600. So how much will be for 9 months? Calculate and tell me. 1,600 into
1,200.
9 divided by 12. All of you understood, na? Ebor horu horu calculation of bhul nokoriba. So how much is the answer?
1,200.
Yes. So for the business, it is an expense. It is not an appropriation of profit, but it is a charge against profit. So first of all, I'm doing the adjustment now, huh? First of all, we will write interest on A's